and NECO. The Minister of Education was in charge of NUC, that fund, and the rest of them. So he couldn't have said. He couldn't have said. So if it was because Mahmoud worked with me, how did I defeat him in 2015? If Mahmoud worked with me, how did now Buhari now win 2019? Because Mahmoud refused you to rig in 2019 when he came with Suja. And then you believe that you will be presidential candidate of APC after Buhari. And you felt that Mahmoud will not support you. You now said you asked for a removal. Why did you tell Nigerians that time that, look, you asked for Mahmoud's removal?
So I ask you this as my last question.
Yeah.
You've always been talking about issue at the national level, especially in your political party. 28 states went for the governorship election.
Yeah.
Are you satisfied with the performance of the PDP in this governorship election?
I don't want to rush. I don't want to rush. Because the national PDP cannot say River State is with them because, one, they did not support us. The same thing happened to Oyo State. They didn't support Oyo State. They did not support us because we talked about unity of Nigeria. I don't talk about party about unity of Nigeria, and that's me. And as far as I'm concerned, I will support anything that has to do with unity of Nigeria than talk about party.
Okay. There's going to be a seamless transition from you to SYMFONI to play.
Yeah.
Governorship election. How excited are you to play that election? How expectant, are you going to be? Because there are landmark projects showing infrastructurally for what you've done for 4 years, 8 years. So how expectant, will you be when SYMFONI pilots the ship of Rivers from 2019?
You see, when someone has been part of what we are doing, part of the government, and takes over, there's nothing like, oh, this is new to me. I didn't know, or I don't know what happened that time. He was former accountant general. He grew from the civil service, lower cadre, to the senior cadre. So he knew how government had been going, and he has said a consolidation and continuity. If I've not finished any project, he will continue. He has assured the Rivers people. And these are projects that are so impactful on the lives of Rivers people, on the economy of Rivers State. So for me, I'm happy, and I know him very well, that he doesn't talk too much, but it's somebody who is focused, who's not distracted, and will achieve the same thing I have achieved, if not better than me. Yeah. So what is the elongation? Okay, take for example, what's the elongation? I did well, and somebody want to continue with what I've done. So that's the elongation. I mean, people should. That's why Nigeria is not moving fast. If somebody has done, if I've done well, and someone want to continue what I've done, that becomes elongation. Why not say that, look, you cherish what the